Hi everyone, welcome to our brand new podcast, Relationships Aajkal. I'm Prajakta,
And I'm Kalpit.
and firstly, we would like to thank all of you for subscribing to our channels, following our podcast on Spotify, YouTube, everything. We are very thankful for your unending support, and we hope that you like what we are about to offer you guys.
So, Prajakta, what are we going to offer them?
Okay, so the name of our podcast, which is Relationships Aajkal, suggests that we are going to talk about romantic relationships. But that's not all, that is going to be a part of it. But we plan to cover all the other relationships you have in your life, be it with your bosses, your parents, your friends, or even your neighbors.
Oh, we need it.
I know, right? So, expect all our episodes to be about these relationships which you come across in your life. We might not have all the answers to them, but yeah, we talk about it.
That we do.
Yeah, we talk a lot.
Okay, so you're saying that our listeners,
Yeah.
they will get to know what are our views on different relationships or different aspects of relationships, and these are based on our experiences, right? We are no experts.
Yeah,
and
we
we are
aren't.
not presenting any scientific studies. We don't have any sample size. Our sample size is us.
Yes, and we have had our fair share of relationships in the past. So, a little sneak peek of what we are going to expect in our episode. So, today's episode's name is Jab Opposites Met, and it involves about the very famous stereotype you must have heard, opposites attract. So, we are
Okay.
going to discuss about whether opposites do really attract, and if they do, why does that happen? And how does this mismatch play out in the future, and what does the future relationship hold for them?
Okay.
So before we dive right into the episode, let's know a little bit more about the host. So I'm Prajakta,
And I'm Kalpit.
and I know it sounds a little corny to talk about ourselves because the only people who listen to our first episode are our friends
Yeah.
and relatives. Hopefully
already.
not, actually, just friends, hopefully.
Yeah.
So we have been married for the past 5 months, but we dated 8 years before that. So more than being just partners and spouses, we are really friends. I
Yeah.
think that defines, like, whoever are our friends, they would call us more friends and less partners, and we
Yes.
prefer it that way.
Actually, so 9 years ago, roughly around this time only, we started talking.
Yeah, June.
And now we are recording our talking after 9 years.
So it's like life has come to a full circle.
In 9 years.
That's how we started, and I hope we are not ending right now,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I
no,
don't
no,
want it to be a circle. Let it be an open-ended circle or something. So actually, 9 years ago, when we met, even though we went to the same college, we had never talked to each other, seen each other ever.
Even
in
though we
lectures.
were in the
We
same
were in the
class.
same class, yes, but we never knew anything about each other, except that we used to be in this common Facebook group of our college.
Oh,
which was-
FYJC Rockstars or something.
Yeah, and that was run by you.
Yeah.
That's how we met on Facebook, and the very first meeting which we had, I had expected, honestly, Kalpit, that I'll meet you, I'll see you for 5 to 10 minutes. We'll just exchange some pleasantries, know each other's names, last names, whatever, and just go our different ways because we lived quite further away from each other.
And you knew my plans. I was just going to call you after I reached home saying, oh, wish we could have met.
Yeah, you are a pussy.
Massive bhagna wala.
So, the point is we met at a railway station because we were going to catch different trains to go to our respective houses, and we thought, चलो 5-10 मिनट बात कर लेते हैं, ऐसा थोड़ा सा let's
Train के
warm
लिए
up.
जो wait
हाँ,
कर रहे
जो वेट
होंगे.
ट्रेन के लिए वेट करना ही है, तो स्ट्रेंजर लोगों को देखते बैठने से बेटर बात
किसी
कर लेते
स्ट्रेंजर
हैं.
से बात भी कर लेते हैं.
And what we thought was going to be 5 to 10 minutes actually became 5 hours,
I
5
can't
long
believe
hours.
we sat at that place, railway station ke, just cake.
I know
you
that.
know that those benches, not
Benches.
even bench.
That
It was just
granite
that
marble thing,
granite
whatever
thingy.
you call it.
And we sat there 5
Chobara?
hours just talking. Yeah, something like that, no? So we just sat there talking 5 hours. And then
It started with कितना परसेंट आया 12th में, because
हाँ.
उस दिन we got our results.
Exactly.
And it ended with our views about life.
In
ऐसा कुछ
general,
तो
at large.
At
I
large.
still remember that question.
World
What
at
are your
large.
views about world at large? Oh God.
I know this sounds very boring, but
Yeah.
trust me, we didn't stop talking even for a minute.
Yeah.
And
Not even for a minute.
I don't know, that's where somewhere we knew ki this
That we
is...
talk a lot.
Why you kill my romantic swipe?
So I think since lot of our listeners are anyway people who know everything about our love story.
And some of them were
Even lived
there
it.
at that moment.
Yeah, some of them have even lived it.
Yeah.
Coming back to the topic which we have on our hands again,
Mm-hmm.
when opposites met.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? What do you think when we go around? We see people who are seemingly mismatched couple, as we say. I'm not talking about how they look or how they,
Right.
I mean, their social strata
How
or
they
anything.
usually don't fit into the same category.
Yeah, exactly. So, what do you think that how those relationships are formed or how they progress? What are your views?
See, जैसे college में we used to see people who were in a relationship and it didn't feel very natural at a first glance. कि
Okay.
पहले देखते ही आपको नहीं लगता था
Made for each
in a
other,
lot
sort
of
of.
relationships. I'm not talking about all of them, but देख के नहीं लगता था कि भैया अरे हाँ they are so well suited to
Yeah.
be with each
Yeah.
other. अपना usual reaction used to be like what were they thinking?
Exactly.
So, this is somewhere I had read at a place years ago that you usually get attracted to those qualities which you lack in yourself.
Okay, makes sense. Okay.
Because psychologically, it is like you aspire to be something. अगर आप बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट हो एंड यू फील लाइक अरे काश मैं लोगों के सामने एकदम खुल के बात कर पाता, काश मैं वो होता जो स्टेज पे इम्प्रॉम्प्टू आई कैन जस्ट परफॉर्म समथिंग, से समथिंग एंड बी द सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. So when you feel such things about yourself and you see a person who's exactly that, naturally you get attracted to that quality first and the person
Okay,
later.
correct.
Because
So it's
he's
something.
associated to that quality.
So you are looking for that missing piece in your puzzle.
Right.
So you just feel that okay, I wanted to do all of these. I
Exactly.
wanted to have all of these. So why not, be together with somebody who has all of that?
Yeah, and even before thinking about all those things, you just biologically get attracted to them because you somewhere want them to rub off a little on you.
Yeah, makes sense.
Like, so that is how very initially you get attracted to someone who is not that very much similar to you.
Okay.
For example, look at us. I mean, I don't think we both are exactly the same.
Yeah, like for example, I am a very technical and calculative guy who would plan out each and everything. Or analytical, and how I will make sure that at all point of times I'm aware of what are the next 5 steps or not next 7 steps which I'm going to take.
Like you have to know the course of your path.
Yeah, and I work in flowcharts. In my mind I work like a flowchart.
Right.
But when it comes to you, it's you have that thing where you can take decisions. You can take that
I
impulse.
somewhere have a very I'm a very impulsive person. I myself don't know what my next step is going to be in the next 5 minutes. From the smallest decision of getting a haircut to the biggest decision of switching careers. I have taken it in the heat of the moment of of going along with my gut instinct. So yeah, we are quite different in the approaches we take in our life.
But we're still together and we are happy. So does this mean that opposites always attract and it's always this rosy, or you feel that there are few situations where opposites, their opposite views on certain things or their opposite values might actually become a hindrance in the relationship?
See, there are various layers of what you call as opposites in a
Okay.
person.
Yeah.
It can range from, oh, that person has a different taste in music than me, to those persons' spending habits are very different from me. And that
Yeah.
defines how well your relationship will move forward and how much efforts you'll have to take to keep it moving forward
Okay.
smoothly. I mean, I've had people around in my life who have seemingly opposite partners. The way they wish to spend their day differs.
Okay.
Like after a hard week of work, weekend पे आप क्या करना चाहते हो? One of your partner just wants to laze around, and
Yeah.
one of the partner loves to explore places, to eat, to roam, या just drive पे जाना है.
Correct.
तो
Correct.
वो लेवल से भी डिफरेंसेस स्टार्ट होते हैं, एंड इट ऑल्सो एंड्स अप विथ अ पर्सन is very much fond of kids and he wants to have kids,
Yeah.
but their
yeah.
spouses don't want to. तो
So I think there the
it becomes more difficult, I guess, जब आप core value में घुसते हो किसी
Yeah.
के. Yeah, and let's
और-
face it ना कल्पित, like every human is different.
Yeah.
आप आपके twin के साथ भी match नहीं करते हो.
Exactly.
This is a whole different another person
Exactly.
who is not even related to you या from your family. तो obviously उसका upbringing, उसका lifestyle, उसका thought process,
हाँ.
how he has lived his entire life is going to be starkly different.
Exactly, like how even in our case, we don't see same kind of movies. We don't listen to same kind of music.
Yeah.
But when it comes to, I think, the core values, where you know your fundamentals
Yeah.
matter, there if two people are their values match, I think that is a big advantage for relationship.
Right.
For example, let's say there are two people in a relationship. One has lived a life of where a comfort and all.
Okay.
So he spends a lot of money, let's say, because he had it.
Yeah, so he like.
And let's say this other person who now is in the same financial strata, but they have earned their money.
Right.
They have earned their place till
Okay.
that point.
Okay.
So they might
So
be,
not so affluential. That's what you mean.
so they might not be very, who would be spending a lot. So now when it comes to these two people, I think there would be a constant struggle because this guy would like to go to fancy places.
Right.
This while this other person is also fond of those places, but that other person may not be comfortable going to such fancy places every day.
Right, like one would be someone who'd splurge a lot, and other would think before spending any kind of money.
Now,
Yeah.
but when these two people will come together, I think that is the point where this opposite attract principle goes for a toss.
Right.
Like, let's say, for example, your degree of laziness does not match. Now, let's say you are a person who wants to keep everything tidy and you want to keep everything, organized and all. You would come to me and tell me कि अच्छा ये सामान पड़ा है हटा दो. Now your degree of laziness and my degree of laziness, let's say, do not match, and I am, let's say, a lazy person. I will not do it. You will get really upset at all those points,
And you know what the problem is actually? Opposites वाला जो point है, if those things occur very often,
Yeah.
then you feel resentment towards your
Actually.
partner. It actually builds
Yeah,
up
yeah,
day
yeah.
by day, occasion by
That's a
occasion.
good point. I mean,
If it's about something, if it's about an event which comes up, once or twice a year, you still feel like you can compromise a little.
Correct.
Because you think एक ही दिन की बात है, चलो उसका outlook अलग है, मेरा अलग है, but ठीक है, एक ही दिन की बात है, we can do that. For example, like just an example, if it's an anniversary and one of the person has the habit of being very extravagant about it, holding a huge party, and other person really does not believe in all that fanfare.
Correct.
But somewhere at least compromising का scope होता है, because you can see somewhere the light at the end of the tunnel.
Correct,
कि this is
correct,
somewhere
correct,
going to
correct.
end.
Yeah.
एक ही दिन की बात है, एक ही हफ्ते की बात है. That's okay. And then we can go back to being our normal selves and doing what we want to do. But if it is about something that happens daily, then
Correct.
when you get that feeling ki, oh, this thing is going to be with me for my
Yeah.
whole life.
Yeah, slow boat to resentment.
Yeah, exactly. So at that moment you feel like you cannot compromise anymore because you cannot compromise your whole life. It seems unending. And that's when you sort of start breaking down.
Yeah, I think Prajakta, that is why, you know, people, let's say an Indian who settles in USA, I think it's very high probability that even though he's in US, outside India, he's going to maybe fall in love with somebody
Right.
who's Indian.
Yeah.
Maybe
Makes sense.
Maybe because people just, you know, they have been brought up a certain way. They don't feel, yeah, see, you have already, your values are already built by that time. तुमको ये नहीं चाहिए कि यार अब मेरे को रिलेशनशिप में भी हर दिन का स्ट्रगल करना पड़े.
Right.
So you see, and let's accept it. When it comes to our, values, I don't think it's very easy to unlearn and relearn, sort of. So
Correct.
I think that is why, in older times, people said कि same caste में marriage कर लो, same
Correct.
इसमें.
Makes sense,
Because
yeah.
then people think कि यार at least तुम्हारा gay to gay will be the same.
Yeah, it's like your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Because you have lived around a certain set of चलो women, men, whatever. आपको उनकी आदतें हैं, the way they look a certain way, they dress a certain way, they act a certain way, उनकी mentality is of a certain way. Like if you are born and brought up in a matriarchal society, तो आपको
Yeah,
आदत होती है
correct,
of
correct.
giving women the right to make decisions and all, as opposed to somewhere where women don't participate
Yeah.
in the decision making process of the household.
Correct.
It's usually the man of the family who takes them and you just have to follow them.
Exactly.
So yeah, I know what you're saying, that जब ये level के opposites होते हो, culturally opposite, it is very difficult for people to cope with other person's culture.
Yeah.
You can't even say कि किसी का गलत है, किसी का सही है. It's just
Exactly.
different. It's about
Exactly.
being
And
different.
then that is why, I mean, this is a very important thing, that when it comes to your values and your compatibility, it's not about right or wrong. It's about two people having same set of values or same set of beliefs. It doesn't matter. Like you and I, we love to gossip. It's not very morally very
it's
good
not
thing
a
to
very
do.
good
Yeah.
thing to admit on your
Yeah.
first episode of the podcast.
Yeah. They are relatives, they already know this. But anyway, so I think when it comes to this compatibility, it's not about right or wrong. It's about two people having same set of values.
Correct.
So if maybe girl likes to shoplift and even boy likes to, go ahead, guys.
I'm not that girl,
Yeah, I'm just saying.
for the record. I don't
Even
know
I am
about
not.
you. This is where we might be opposites.
Yeah.
I don't want to take that blame on me. Yeah.
But then what do you think, Prajakta? Like, do people really change? I mean, we always say कि यार relationship के बाद बदल गया वो,
Right.
या शादी के बाद वो बदल गया. Of course पेट बाहर आ जाता है. But do you think people really change?
Thank God this is not a video podcast or something, है ना?
Exactly,
So
exactly.
it's like you don't say. Anyway.
Anyway, so what do you think? Do people really change?
See, there can be two scenarios जहाँ पे opposites वाला चीज can work. One, either you do change, you feel
Okay.
like changing for the other person.
Hmm.
In cases where you feel that you were wrong the whole time and you want to change for better.
Okay.
For example, if you are too narrow-minded about certain things, about a lot of things, जैसे treating women differently in your family, this and
Okay.
that. And if your spouse is someone who comes from a progressive family, and if you by yourself feel that, oh, this is a better thing to imbibe. This is a better person to be. I'd rather be that person than being what I was for the past 25 years or 30 years of my life.
Okay.
People can change in that scenario, or such opposite relations can work if you are tolerant enough. If you
Okay.
are that liberal is such a tainted
Yeah,
word
we
right
can't
now,
use it. Can't use
but
it.
see, if you are really tolerant of other people's options, like what I feel about opposites में अगर हम बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा आप कल्चरली ऑपोजिट हो या आपके कोर वैल्यूज ऑपोजिट है तो आपका बनेगा ही नहीं. That's what we generally feel, but it's not always important. For example, if you are a very career oriented guy and I'm someone who likes to take it easy, I'm not too ambitious. I do not want to get all the ranks. I have other priorities in my life and I can let that go.
Correct.
So in that case, we both are starkly opposite, and it's sort of a huge thing in your life.
Yeah.
For example, if you are very ambitious and you want to scale heights in your organization, you want to roam the whole world for your work, and I'm not someone in that category. It might look like we would have clashes, but if you are tolerant enough for each other's choices
Yeah.
in your life,
Correct.
you can somewhere sail past that, and very
Correct.
happily, if I may
Correct.
say. For example, if you ever decide that you want to move to some other country for work, I'll be ready to give my thing up because I respect your decision. That I do not want to stifle you. Just because you're married, you have to give up on
Correct.
your dreams and your ambitions and just become a proper family married man. I know it actually takes a lot of conversation.
Yeah.
We somewhere know
Correct,
that about
correct.
each other in the past 9 years of our life, and we know that none of us will take advantage of each other's situations.
But still, you know.
Like we won't manipulate each other to get what we want. I won't make you you do something that you don't want to do just because it helps me, and
Correct.
even you won't do the
Correct,
same.
correct.
So that trust, if you have that level of trust in each other, and if you have that tolerance for each other's opinions,
Then you
I think that might work.
Yeah, makes sense because end of the day, you know, I believe all relationships, whether it be love relationships or any other relationship for that matter, it's all about give and take.
Right. It requires work. Every relationship
it's all
requires
about
efforts.
effort and reward.
Yes.
You can't basically have everything without you doing or giving something to it.
Correct.
Okay, I think we discussed a lot about on this opposites and whether they attract and how easy it is. If I say how do you sum this up? How do you think?
So what do I feel?
Yeah, I mean,
What is the result?
in conclusion.
In conclusion, to sum it up,
So basically,
we are small.
yeah.
I know. Look at our subscriber
Look.
count.
Even the views.
I feel that it's okay. Opposites do attract. They might work out. They will if you have that much dedication in you.
Yeah,
कि,
look
we
at
will.
Salman Rushdie and no, they broke up.
Tell me this was really candid and you didn't plan
No, I did
to
not
be
plan
this
at all.
surprised.
No, I did not plan.
Good job.
At all.
Okay. I'll try to trust you because अभी मैंने 2 मिनट पहले ही बोला है कि we have trust in our relationship. Yeah, opposites do attract and they do work out. And somewhere थोड़ा सा
Milind
opposite.
Soman and Ankita, whoever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mrs.
They are
Ankita
together.
Soman.
They are together.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Smooth.
So opposites थोड़ा होना भी चाहिए.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
थोड़ा variety you should have in your relationship, otherwise it will become too monotonous too
Yeah.
soon. ऐसा होना चाहिए कि your partner should keep surprising, not shocking you, surprising you.
Yeah. And imagine,
Often.
if both of them do the same work, maybe work in the same type of office, what would their conversations be?
Relationship routine बन जाएगा यार.
Yeah, मतलब then उसके बाद it's like मैं ऑफिस कलीग से भी तो यही बात करता हूँ, यहाँ पे भी यही बात करता हूँ.
Same.
So,
So it's
weekend में
like
मैं बाहर
we
जा
are
रहा
just the
हूँ.
colleagues who sleep with each other, and actually वो भी होता है. So what is different? I don't know. So yeah.
There is never a relationship You can remember Chandler.
No such thing. Okay. FYI, we are Friends fans, yeah. So
Yeah.
you might find a lot of references of our favorite sitcoms.
Hmm.
So in conclusion, back to what we were talking about. Yeah,
Sab changa
people, opposite people do. They can have an interesting life, actually better than people who are too similar to each other.
Yeah.
वैरायटी
हम्म।
होगी।
सही
मैं
है।
बीच में मेरे को ऐसे लगता है मैं सलमान खान जैसे बात कर रही कि FRSH मैं नया डिओड्रेंट्स एंड सैनिटाइजर्स
FRSHWORLD. I don't know if he's using all the alphabets of world also.
भावले
.cm.
सब्सक्राइब कर रही है इसको, तुम थोड़ा ध्यान रखो।
Okay. So I think
Yeah.
this is what we have in our
So
first
बच्चों,
discussion.
my point is, when you plan into going into a relationship, obviously get attracted to whatever you want, but proper थोड़ा thesis कर लेना कि भाई do your core values match,
Yeah.
because that is one thing which you cannot compromise. आप आपका music habits बदल सकते हो, आप आपके food habits बदल सकते हो, but you cannot change the very core of you, because that's you.
Yeah.
And then if you do, you'll resent that person a lot, and we don't want to go down that path.
Exactly. And
So-
guys, don't shoplift. Don't. Even though your values match.
तुमने बचपन में
Don't
GI जो
shoplift.
चुराया था बिग
बिग
बाजार
बाजार
से,
एंड देन बाद में न्यूज़ आया था कि वही बिग बाजार से somebody stole blade and a razor and the security guard killed him.
छी,
Yeah.
एक ब्लेड और रेजर के लिए।
So guys, जो भी मुलुंड में रहते हैं, do search this and tell me if I am wrong or correct me if something.
तो मतलब आप जो चुराओगे उसको आप पे चलाएंगे, ऐसा?
Yeah. It seems like.
कोई लूव्स मत चुराना।
Oops. Explicit tag है ना?
हाँ, we have signed up for the explicit
Yeah.
content in our podcast, because let's face it, we are filthy and gross and we abuse. I, not him. I abuse a lot, and don't tell this to my in-laws.
Okay, so what do we have in next episode? When are we going to have it? What's the haps?
Bro, नहीं,
Yeah, and-
what's I forgot Joey क्या बोलता है. So before we sign off, for giving a little sneak peek of our next episode, next we are going to discuss is best friends forever a real thing? Forever की spelling है 4
EVA.
सही है,
dot
you know
com.
that.
Yeah.
So are you BFFs forever?
Friends forever.
किसमें था ये? I remember. I think ये
I'll tell you,
pretentious
मैं
movie
प्रेम की
reviews.
कहानी- मैं
हाँ,
प्रेम की
हाँ.
कहानी नहीं हूँ, मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. So आप जिसके साथ बचपन में फ्रेंड्स थे, क्या वो आपके मरते दम तक आपको कंधा देने के लिए आएगा?
ये दोस्ती क्या वो तोड़ेंगे?
So tune into our next episode to hear such things about our views on the topic, plus about us a little, जो बीच बीच में आते ही रहेगा.
Yup.
So we are very glad that we are doing this. Thank you so much for tuning in into our podcast. We love your love and support, जो बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा मिल रहा है right now, but I know it is going to increase. So like, follow and subscribe to our podcast to get an uninterrupted dose of our discussions. For every subscribe we get, this week we'll be donating that much money to
To what?
a petition, which ये week में बहुत चल रहा है, which is
Ban good morning messages on WhatsApp.
जिससे आप सभी लोग पीड़ित हैं. सो हेल्प अस
Yes.
चेंज द सोसाइटी. आपका एक सब्सक्राइब आपका एक व्हाट्सएप फॉरवर्ड कम कर सकता है, वन पेटिशन एट अ टाइम.
And if you want to share, can they do WhatsApp forwards?
I don't like you so much. Anyway, you can find us on YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you get your podcast dose from, with the same name, Relationships Aajkal. See you next Sunday, one relationship at a time.